Hey everybody, Sandra here at Imagination Creations. I'm going to do a bit of an experiment today. Been thinking about this for quite some time. What my goal is to have my colors underneath the white and just to experiment to see what happens, how they come through from underneath. Just been watching a lot of the negative space flip cups where people flip and drag them, and I don't know, it seems to me that if the colors can be underneath the white, it could get a pretty neat effect. So what I'm thinking of doing, what I'm planning on doing, is filling this cup or tube, squeeze bottle kind of thing, with just a small amount of my actual colors, and then putting white all over the canvas, and then squeezing this out through a little hole, and we'll just see what happens. If it works, I'll post this video. If not, it'll go into the abyss. Nobody will ever know what happened. So I've pre-mixed my colors. I am going to put a small amount into the squeeze bottle, just to start, of white. Then I have some really pretty colors. I'm using Artist Loft Metallic Blue, and I have about, I'm going to say 3 to 4 drops of 91% alcohol. And just a small amount. Then I have Artist Loft Violet, and I have put, I'm going to say maybe 2 drops of the coconut oil serum as my dimethicone. And finally, I have Artist Loft Metallic Phthalo Green. Also have just 1 or 2 drops of the coconut oil. Okay. So I'm not sure if you can see, there's really not too much in there, which is what I want. I always say I'm going to go for the less is more look, and I always get carried away. So we'll just leave this very minimal amount. So I'm going to start by putting some white. This is also Artist Loft. Today my pouring medium is the Elmer's glue, and I simply mixed it 1-to-1 with the glue to the water. So this is got an awful lot of air bubbles, so I'm just gonna use my torch, get rid of some of them. Just move it around a little bit. Okay, I'll add more to the perimeter as I need to. So I'm also thinking to try and aid in making sure this somehow gets underneath the white. I'm going to pour, I got a big hair. I'm going to try and pour some of the white on top of this nozzle as I go. So I'm just going to start that right upside down, let the paint get to the onto the nozzle part. Okay, I think I can see a little bit came out already. I feel like, oh yeah, see, so I'm almost injecting it. Oh gosh, I hope you can see. So let me just drizzle some of this as I go. Really didn't have any forethought about what shape I'd go with. see. Okay, so that's not underneath the white. Anyway, I think I'm getting a bit of what I wanted. So I'm going to put my lid on there and keep it upside down so the remainder of the paint continues to float downwards. Okay, it's very pretty colors. I do have some cells happening, albeit quite small. So I'll do a little tilting. Let's see what happens. Oh, shucks. I thought that was just white. Okay, I'll work on the edges after. I don't like watching really long videos that have nothing exciting in them, so being cognizant of that for you. But whoa, look at these colors. Beautiful. It's kind of interesting. It's like there's cells within cells.